I'm Gina here with Belly Beads. Here today to bring you a tutorial on my 9mm diamond shape paper beads. Now if you're not familiar with me, I have a website. I sell the paper strips, so you don't have to cut them. You just go ahead and keep rolling. Okay, so they're my 9mm diamond. I'm going to show you how to roll them. Okay, and when you purchase them from my website, they come in this package and they are neatly packaged in a Ziploc bag. Now the 9mm diamonds, they make 31 beads and there's 2 strips to it. The paper bead rollers that I am using today are 1 and 2. Just wanted to give you an idea. I get these from JP Fun, and I will link everything below. My most popular, I don't sell these, but my popular and the ones I love the most are the 1 and the 2. That's the ones I use all the time. I'm also using some Elmer's clear glue. You can use anything that works for you. It's through trial and error that I found that the clear works best for me. I have it in this nice little container. I love these containers. I also sell these on my website. You get them $3 for $1 and they are filled already with glue. Now, to avoid it getting like clogged, please keep putting the cap on when it's not in use, and that will prevent it from clogging. So let's get started. Let me get my strips. Okay, that's number 1 and number 2. And I create these videos so when you purchase, all you have to do is just, take a look at one of the, I have videos for all of them. So if you ever get stuck knowing which one goes with what, just go ahead and turn that video on and the tutorial, and I'll show you how to do it. So let's get started. I'm going to use number 1. I'm going to get the first strip. You always want to start with the widest end first, and I'm going to run my fingers through it. That's called conditioning it. All right, and there is a little slot or a slit right there. And I'm going to place my strip right in there. I work with my index finger a lot. That just rests right on it. Now make sure that you have a nice tension, but not too tight where it's the paper's going to tear. Now see how I just pushed those back together? Sometimes when you're rolling, the paper can go off and then one side's a little bit more heavier in the paper than the other. So just go ahead, you can pinch them together. I'd like to invite you to my paper bead group on Facebook. It's called Paper Beads Born Pretty. We share a lot of ideas. There's jewelry ideas. So yeah, now we're coming to the end. I flipped it. I'm very generous with my glue because once that's on, I just spread it right through. It really does keep it nice and sturdy. Okay. Yeah, so we have a lot of fun in our paper bead group. All right, here's the second strip. I'm going to condition it. Place some glue on the end of it. I'm going to find the end of the first strip, which is right there, and connect those two. Just hold it for a little bit so it can stick, and make sure that you roll evenly. This is the second strip, so you want to make sure that your strip is certainly even. And just take your time, enjoy it. This is part 1. Part 2, I'm actually going to create something out of these beads, some jewelry. That's exciting. I cannot wait. Okay, getting to the end here. Now, the end of it, look how thin that is. Just be really careful with it and put some glue on the end and then just roll it right through. And there you have it. The 9mm diamond shape. You don't want to pull it, you want to push it. Now this is ready to be dipped in PC petrifier. I do 1 dip, and then the polyacrylic by Minwax. I dip that Sometimes I dip that twice. It depends. The thicker the paper, the more you want to dip because it's absorbing it quickly. So there we have it. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do now. It really does help me create more content. And my website, I will place below. I sell the strips. You don't have to cut them. And you can create these beautiful beads and then just go ahead and create beautiful jewelry out of it or whatever you make out of it. What do you make? I would love to hear the comments. What do you make out of your paper beads? Now, my brand or my style is more bohemian, but let me know what your style is and what do you do with it? Do you just make jewelry out of it? Or do you make something else? I would love to hear from you. Thank you for supporting my channel. Bye now.